Hello and a very warm welcome to Saurav Sir classes. Today's tutorial will be on game theory. In case of any query, you can contact us on this particular number. To know more about us, you can visit our website, which is www.sauravsirclasses.com. In this video, we will actually develop the basic idea about what do we mean by a dominant strategy equilibrium, dominant strategy, and Nash equilibrium. So let us write a dominant strategy. So what do we mean by this? A dominant strategy is a strategy, say if you have two strategy A, if a person named A has two strategy, to eat or to sleep. Now over sleep, if he always prefer eat, then eat strategy eat always dominates strategy sleep, and hence eat becomes the dominant strategy and sleep is dominated strategy. Okay, so eat becomes the dominant strategy. So formally we can say a dominant strategy equilibrium or let me write it first in very simple terms, then I'll give you a tough definition. So a dominant strategy is the optimal choice of strategy for each player irrespective of what other player does. That means you are not considered about other players participating in the game. Okay, you have a dominant strategy and that choice will be optimal. That strategy will be your optimal choice. Okay, and if we want to explain it in other terms, or another definition can be forwarded as a dominant strategy equilibrium is reached when each player chooses the dominant strategy, and if A is one of the player, he will choose eating over sleep, where each player chooses their own dominant strategy okay. So this is what do we mean by a dominant strategy. Now dominant strategy can be of two types. So dominant strategy can be of two types: weakly dominated and strongly dominated strategy. Okay, now let us define Nash equilibrium. So equilibrium, you know that equilibrium means that it can denote a point, a place, anywhere when reached. One will have one will not have any tendency to deviate. We know this. Once an equilibrium is, a point is said to be equilibrium when it is reached, the person reaching that point will not have any tendency to deviate. And why there is a Nash written in front of equilibrium? Because this concept was first forwarded by Professor John Nash. Okay. So the formal definition of Nash equilibrium can be, it is the optimal outcome of a game where no player has an incentive to deviate from his chosen strategy, which is nothing but the concept of equilibrium, after considering opponent's choice. After considering opponent's choice. Okay. So once you reach the point of equilibrium, that optimal outcome of a game, it is that particular outcome of the game where one reached, you will not have any incentive to deviate from that particular strategy. And if this condition is satisfied, it will be termed as Nash equilibrium. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please like our videos and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.